Hello students, now practice set 2.2. In previous video, I explained proof that root 2 is an irrational number. In this exercise, two questions are, first question what? Show that 4 root 2 is an irrational number. Based on that, we are going to prove this one. First one, show that 4 root 2 is an irrational number. Okay? Proof. First, let us assume that the given 4 root 2 is a rational number. Let us assume 4 root 2 is a rational number. Rational number means what? P by Q, such that P comma Q belongs to Z and Q not equal to 0. That is 4 root 2 equal to A upon B. A comma B belongs to Z and B not equal to 0. Now this 4 I send to the right side denominator. Root 2 equal to A upon 4B. Now coming to the right side on RHS, right hand side. A, B and 4 are what? Integers. Okay. Overall this one what? It is a rational number. Okay. Rational number. A upon 4B is a rational number. If and on the left side on LHS, on the left side, what we know in previous video about the root 2? Root 2 is an irrational number. Root 2 is an irrational number. See, on the right side it is a rational number. On the left side it is a irrational number. This is a contradiction because LHS is not equal to RHS. If on the right side is a rational number, left side also rational. So therefore, our assumption what? 4 root 2 is a rational number is wrong. Therefore, 4 root 2 is a irrational number. Here you can write LHS not equal to RHS because on the RHS it is a rational number. LHS is an irrational number. Therefore, this is a contradiction. This is a contradiction. Our assumption 4 root 2 is a rational number is wrong. Okay? Therefore, 4 root 2 is an irrational number. Hence, proved. Okay? Students, if the 2 marks, you can write directly here. Root 2 is an irrational number. It depends on the marks. If it is 4 marks question, you need to show that root 2 is an irrational number in middle. Okay, you have to continue. By this, your first question finished. Students, now second question. Second question what? Prove that 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. Here also by using indirect proof, here also starting we assume that the given is rational number. From the rational number definition, P upon Q where p comma q belongs to integers and q not equal to 0. In middle we will get it is a contradiction. How? LHS and RHS. RHS will be a rational and LHS will be a irrational. So this is a contradiction. Our assumption 3 plus 5 root 5 is a rational number is wrong. So therefore 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. Proof. What? Let us assume 3 plus root 5 is a rational number. From rational number definition what? 3 plus root 5 equal to a upon b. Here a comma b belongs to z and b not equal to 0. On the left side we keep this root 5, root 3, whatever on the left side, and whatever remaining terms should be taken on the right side. Here positive 3 is there. If you take to the right side, it becomes minus root 5 equal to a upon b minus 3. Here on, now we will explain on LHS and RHS. On the RHS what is there? On the LHS what? On RHS, on right hand side, a, b and minus 3 are integers. This total it is a rational. A upon b minus 3 is a rational number. Okay. On LHS, root 5 is an irrational number. In previous video, I said that how we proved root 2 is an irrational number. Similarly, root 3, root 5 also is an irrational number. We can prove in the same way. Root 5 is an irrational number. That is LHS not equal to RHS. If on the left side is rational number, right side also a rational number. Here when we are giving equal sign, it should be equal on the both sides, right side and left side. On one side rational and other side is irrational. So here we got a contradiction. But this is contradiction. Okay? Contradiction. What we assume starting 3 plus root 5 is a rational number. Our assumption 3 plus root 5 is a rational number is wrong. Okay. Last step what? Therefore, 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. Hence proved. Otherwise, hence theorem. Okay. See, first one, second one are same. In first one, it is a multiplication. Second one, it is a addition. The question can be given like this also. Root 5 minus 3. Otherwise, minus 3 plus root 5. Prove that minus 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. You can prove on the left side we will take only roots. And remaining terms will send to the right side. And we will explain on the right side and on the left side. Now, coming to the third bit. In third bit, what we given? Third bit, show root 5 and root 10 on a number line. Root 5. Represent the numbers root 5 and root 10 on a number line. These two questions also you know that you can solve it. Solve it once again. In 8th class like this, irrational numbers shown on number line, many questions we done. So that you have to take it as homework. Now coming to the fourth bit. Fourth bit, what he asked, write any three rational numbers between two numbers. So there are infinite rational numbers between any two numbers. By showing that, it will be easy for you by showing the number line. Students, now fourth bit. Write any three rational numbers between 0.3 and minus 0.5. It will be easy if we draw a number line. See, first I will draw a number line. One negative is there, one positive is there. Then in center what will find? 0. On the left side negative, somewhere here minus 0.5. On the right side positive, somewhere 0.3. Now here between these two numbers there are infinite rational numbers we can write. But in the question what he has just only write any three rational numbers. So minus 0.5. Before minus 0.5 what? Minus 0.4. Before minus 0.4 what? Minus 0.3. Minus 0.2. Minus 0.1. 0 here. 0.1, 0. Out of these numbers, you can write any three numbers. So I am taking minus 0.4, here 0.1 and 0.2 are three rational numbers. Three rational numbers between 0.3 and minus 0.5. Okay? Now, second question. In fourth bit, second question. Students, now fourth bit, second question. Write any three rational numbers between minus 2.3 and minus 2.33. See here, if you observe after decimal point here 1 digit is there, after decimal point here 2 digits are there. I want to make equal. So here I will add 0. So here minus 2.30 and minus 2.33. Okay. If you take minus 2.30 and minus 2.33, how many numbers will exist? Minus 2.31, minus 2.33. But in the question what asked? Write three rational numbers. For that, I will add one more 0. Okay. Now draw the number line, two negative numbers. So first you have to write this one, minus 2.300 here, minus 2.00 here, somewhere minus 2.330. See here, between many numbers will exist, infinite number. See here, minus 2.300 here, minus 2.330 here, what? Minus 2.01301, minus 2.302, like that, minus 2.303. Here I tell before, minus 2.330. Here before what? Minus 2.329, minus 2.328. Minus 2.327, like this, so on. So here he asked how many rational numbers? Three rational numbers. Choose any three rational numbers. Here minus 2.301, minus 2.328, minus 2.326 are three rational numbers between minus 2.3 and minus 2.33. Okay? Students, in fourth bit you have four questions. First one, second one, fourth one. I explained, and third one take it as homework. So in this exercise, third bit you can do it, that represent the numbers root 5 and root 10 on number line, that you can do it. And in fourth bit, third question. Now here, write any three rational numbers between minus 4.5 and minus 4.6. To write that one, I will add 0. Okay? Minus 4.50 and minus 4.6. Two negative numbers. So first we'll draw the number line. It will be easy for you. First minus 4.50. Minus 4.50. Here minus 4.60. Before minus 4.60 what? Minus 4.59. Okay. Before minus 4.59 what? Minus 4.5. And so on here. After minus 4.50 what? Minus 4.51. After minus 4.51 what? Minus 4.52. So on. So we can write any three rational numbers. Therefore, minus 4.51, minus 4.56 and minus 4.59 are three rational numbers between minus 4.5 and minus 4.6. Students, in this chapter we learn to prove that irrational number root 2, root 5, 3 plus root 5, 4 root 2, anything. He can do subtraction also, 3 minus root 6. These all are the irrational numbers. Prove that or show that. And in this exercise what? Represent root 2, root 3 on a number line. And still what we know about the long division method. Write the decimal form in the decimal form of root 2 by using the division method. Still he explained the definition of the irrational number. Irrational numbers, the numbers which are non-terminating and non-recurring type are called irrational numbers. Others numbers which cannot be written in P by Q form. Okay? And there are infinite rational numbers between any two numbers. Okay? By this your practice set 2.2 finish.